Hi, welcome back again to this channel. If you are new to this channel um, we do travel and automotive videos. We have a lot of videos of different cars, uh, different ways to fix cars, um, and we have also a lot of travel videos. So you're welcome to check our channel, and if you feel like you like any of the videos, just hit the like button, or also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So this video here, I'm gonna show you the location of the transmission dipstick and the oil dipstick in this GMC Canyon. This GMC Canyon is similar to most Chevy Colorados. It's a similar vehicle, and this vehicle here will be 2006. So it can go up to all the way to 2015, 2014 model. Just take your engine and I'll show you the location of the oil dipstick and the transmission dipstick. Okay, we'll start with the oil dipstick. So when you come here on the driver side, you open first.